In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Clickup, either through a web browser or the app, using different methods available to you. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Clickup login page. If you're using a web browser, just type clickup.com into the address bar. This will take you to their main site, but you can also skip a step and go directly to their login page by heading over to app.clickup.com or login. This is where the magic happens, as you'll soon see. Now, when you've landed on the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. This is typically your email address and the password you've registered with ClickUp. You'll notice fields clearly designated for these details, so you really can't miss them. Just type everything in carefully. Don't rush through it, especially with your password, since a small mistake could prevent you from logging in. When you've double-checked everything, it's time to click on that Login button. Seems straightforward, right? A simple click and you should be in. Granted, everything was entered correctly. Your ClickUp account should open up, waiting for you to dive into your projects and tasks. For those of you who enjoy a little extra convenience and have Google SSO set up, there's an alternative method. Instead of entering your email and password, you can simply choose the option to sign in with Google. This is especially handy if you prefer fewer passwords to remember. When you select this option, a pop-up window will appear like a friendly assistant, guiding you through the Google login process. Enter your Google account credentials here, or choose from already signed-in profiles if they appear, to breeze through the authentication process. Once you've done this, ClickUp does the heavy lifting for you, redirecting you straight to your dashboard after successful authentication. Now that you're logged in, you have access to your personal ClickUp workspace. This is where you unleash your organizational prowess, managing projects, tasks, and collaborating with others. If you're part of different workspaces, maybe you have a diverse range of projects, there's a simple solution. From the dashboard, you can easily choose which particular workspace you would like to enter. Just click on it and you're good to go. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly access ClickUp whether through entering your credentials or using Google SSO. Now, you can fully immerse yourself in your tasks, knowing how to get back in with ease whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!